Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the SWOT Analysis Excel template. We'll start by hiding the top written to have more space. Perfect. First, let's go into the settings page. It allows you to set up the status or degree of importance and its corresponding value. Also allow you to select your language. The Translation tab allows you to customize our three standard languages, English, French, and Portuguese, and create a fourth one. Let's move on to the Resource tab. This is where you can enter the list of staff members that we'll assign actions to. Let's create a new one, let's say Lady Gaga. Perfect. Let's go to the SWOT section. Here, we'll list up to 10 strengths and weaknesses and 10 opportunities and threats. Let's enter a new threat. We'll name it Launches of New Product Lines. We'll indicate it's a threat. Give it an important status. And the value will automatically populate based on what we filled in the settings page. Moving on to the last data input section, the action plan. Here, we'll enter actions that are set up to reinforce strength, work on weaknesses, take advantage of opportunities, or combat threats. Let's enter a new action together. We'll select our newly created threat, Launches of New Product Lines, detail the action. Here we'll just leave a number. The type automatically fills in as threat. We'll assign it our newly created agent, Lady Gaga. Set up a start date of 10th of Feb. And indicate a due date of 1st of March. Finally, we'll set up the progress as 0% because we haven't started yet. And the status automatically populates. Awesome! We're ready to start visualizing. Let's move on to the report section. This will automatically direct us to the SWOT report. First, we'll hit the refresh button to ensure the latest data is shown. Perfect. This is a standard SWOT report indicating previously entered strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. As you can see, our newly created threat appears, Launch of New Product Lines. Moving on to the performance report. This is a report that lists all actions and their progress, and it allows the user to filter those actions by type, resource, month, and year. Finally, the dashboard. The slicers on the right-hand side allow you to filter the actions by resource or staff member, by status, type, or month and year. The dashboard indicates the number of actions by SWOT category, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Further down, we can see the percentage complete action by SWOT category, the number of actions started per month, the number of actions by status, resource or staff member, and SWOT category. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about the SWOT Analysis Excel template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!